Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Greek vinaigrette dressing. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Finally, have salt and freshly ground black pepper ready for seasoning. Now let's start mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your red wine vinegar, fresh lemon juice, and minced garlic. Next, add the dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously for about 30 seconds. This initial whisking helps to dissolve the salt and pepper and integrate the flavors before adding the oil. This step is crucial for a smooth dressing. While continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. The key is to add it gradually, allowing the oil to incorporate fully. Keep whisking until the dressing becomes emulsified, appearing slightly thicker and creamy. Once it's well combined, taste it and adjust the seasoning with more salt or pepper to your preference. Your homemade Greek vinaigrette is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for salads, marinades, or drizzling over grilled vegetables. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will keep fresh for up to 7 days. Just give it a good shake before each use. For more great tips and deals, including information on the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, fresh dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.